Hello everyone, I'm Matteo, welcome back here in my little RC garage. Thanks again for watching. Today we will do an upgrade on the MST CFX chimney. It's the chassis mounted servo option for the CFX and CMX chassis. MST offers a set of parts with everything needed to install the steering servo to the chassis. Here you can see with the original chassis the servo sits on the axle. This is not so scale because there is no real car with something like this on the axle. This means that this upgrade mainly improves the scale look of the chassis and not its function. Now let's check the parts included in this set. There is a small instruction sheet. A few screws are also included. And these are the brackets for the servo, made of metal in excellent quality. But I must say, this set of parts is quite expensive. The manual says to attach the holders to the chassis and then install the servo. I'm not sure if I will go that way. But first I have to disassemble some parts to get access to the steering servo. First I remove the motor. Next I can deinstall the servo from the axle. And the old servo holder, and now no more servo is on the axle. Now the first thing I do is mount the new brackets on the servo, but don't tighten the screws all the way. Here you can see how it sits on the correct position. These holders need to be screwed on together with the fenders, but these fits not correctly now and needs a bit of trimming. Here you can see I cut off a little piece and now it fits well and I can screw on the parts. Here you can see it. As next I can tighten completely the screws and so finish the installation of the servo. Only the steering rod must be connected to the servo arm. It must be slightly longer, which can be easily achieved by turning the rod ends. Here you can see how it is now after this modification. Now everything is reinstalled and ready to go. It's good, and the chassis looks more like a real car. Also the bump steer is not so big, even without a panhard bar. The functionality is absolutely good. There is no difference when driving the truck to the original position of the servo on the axle. But I like the better scale look of the chassis now. So I hope you liked this information. If so, please give me a thumbs up for this video. And subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thanks again for watching and see you next time.